Imagine you just closed an amazing customer and now you want to outbound, sell, and close 10 more just like them. We call this the lookalikes play. Historically, you would have had to manually find lookalike companies yourself using Google, ChatGPT, open them up on LinkedIn, manually prospect your ICP, add them to your sequencer, and cross your fingers. Today, with the new lookalikes functionality built into Unify, you can completely automate this in just 5 minutes. Let me show you how. To access the new lookalikes functionality, go ahead and open your plays panel and click New Play in the upper right-hand corner. Click Create from Template, and you can discover the lookalikes template in the bottom left here. Let's click Try this template. You'll notice that the trigger is a new node, which is Find Lookalike Companies. This is going to allow us to define our list of seed companies from which we generate the lookalike companies. And then we're going to automatically prospect for our ICP at those companies, loop through them, sequence them, and then sync all of that back to Salesforce. Now let's create our lookalike list. For the first example, we'll use CRM data, and for the second example, website data. These quick filters are available for your convenience, but to see a complete list of all the filters available from your Unify instance, click Add Condition, Where Attribute, click this dropdown, and then you can see all the CRM fields, as well as any custom integrations that you may have, like G2 or Clearbit, for example. Let's do an example using Salesforce data. So let's say I just closed SoFi. I'm going to pull up my CRM data and say where company name is equal to SoFi. As you can imagine, you can toggle the CRM data to pull up closed won deals, for example, but we'll be able to see our seed company list here. And because I've just set it to SoFi, as you can expect, it's just SoFi. Then we can click Next and configure the lookalikes. Let's just say I only want 5 lookalikes. I want relevance greater than 95. This is on a scale of 0 to 100. And that I want companies greater than employee size 100 in America because that's my territory. As we look on the right, we can see this list start to populate with lookalikes that are pretty good and in fact do look like SoFi. If I click Done, I'll be able to then run this play and automatically prospect for my ICP at those lookalike companies, loop through them, sequence them, and then add that back to Salesforce. One thing that's really cool to highlight is that this is dynamic. So if you did a play where the trigger found closed won companies, every time you then have a closed won company added to Salesforce, this play is going to run for you automatically. Isn't that the coolest thing? Okay, let me show you one more thing, which is creating a list of lookalikes from website visitors. Let's say I'm running a really successful marketing campaign and a lot of people from Google are coming to my website and converting into closed won deals. I can define this lookalike audience where UTM source is equal to Google. And if I wanted to, I can even add another parameter here, like where campaign is equal to whatever my campaign name is. And then this is the seed list of those companies. Just like in the previous workflow, I can specify the number of lookalikes per company, the relevance score, employee size, territory, and then any inclusion or exclusion industries I might want to highlight. I can actually go into any one of these companies and actually QA the lookalike list that gets produced. So let's just do Chick-fil-A. And oh my gosh, Jollibee, that's great. I love Jollibee. So this is how the lookalike functionality works. I'm actually really excited to see Jollibee on here. Amazing. Now, as you can see, you can create all kinds of dynamic lookalike lists. Sit back, relax, and watch meetings get booked on your calendar. I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments and see you in the next video.